We are truly just so grateful, each and every one of you that have made this day so special.
All right, I want to thank everybody for coming here today also. It's been a great day so far. It's gone very, very fast. I just hope I remember everything because it's been awesome.
I don't know if I'm gonna be the drunkle or the funkle, but either way, I'm afraid JC won't leave the kids with me.
Thank you for showing my best friend what it's like to be loved, respected, wanted, supported, and so much more. Thank you for never trying to change who she is and for being such a perfect match for her.
A friend of mine told me years ago, it's pretty obvious I need a woman that tells me what I need to do. And I found the perfect one in you. I promise to do my best to fulfill all of your dreams in life together. And I promise to love you forever, and I cannot wait to continue to build our life together with you as Mrs. J.C. Archendale.
I used to pray for my future husband. Although in hindsight, I know God was truly listening. I should have also prayed that my future husband never start a tradition of giving livestock as wedding presents.
By the authority vested in me by the state of Iowa, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Tanner, you may kiss your beautiful bride.